Senator Judge Bongo revealed he has personal knowledge regarding the 2011 incident where then Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte punched a court sheriff. The video of the incident was used as evidence against the Vice President in the ongoing impeachment trial. Daniela Paulite has the news.
I just find it proper that I shed light on the matter without any bias, given that these are matters of fact and based on personal knowledge.
Senator Judge Bongo has personal knowledge regarding the incident involving Vice President Sara Duterte and a court sheriff. The former Davao City Mayor punched Sheriff Abby Andres in July 2011 amid tensions during a house demolition in Agdao, Davao City. The video of the incident was presented during the Vice President's ongoing impeachment trial to establish the alleged pattern of violence. According to Senator Judge Go, however, it is crucial to examine the context of what took place.
Nagalit po si then Mayor Sara noon dahil nakiusap siya sa sheriff na kung pwede bang i-postpone ng ilang oras at i-delay mo ng eviction ng 217 na families. At naalala ko noon na meron pong pulisiya si former Mayor Rodrigo Duterte na ayaw niya pong magpaalis ng mga informal settlers pag walang malapitan, walang malipatan po yung mga illegal settlers. Kawawa naman po itong mga to na minadali silang paalisin. It was correct that Davao City was then dealing with the aftermath of a flash flood. At that then Mayor Sara Duterte had come from attending to affected residents before proceed. Alam niyo ba ito?
Go questioned the NBI on whether they were aware of the full context behind the incident, especially since it was cited under Article 4 or grave threats of the impeachment case.
Well, I was informed po kanina nung sinasabi yan.
Alam niyo bang 31 po yung namatay nung panahon yon?
Yun po, nalaman ko po kanina.
Actually, nandun po ako nung nangyari po yung insidente. At after 2 days, bumisita rin po yung si former Vice President Jojo Binay. Kasama niya yung anak niya na si Senator Nancy Binay. Mismo, witness po ako doon na talagang hirap ng sitwasyon. June 29 po yung nangyari na madaling araw, yung flash floods. At marami pong namatay, no? 28 to 31. At after a day, July 1, may schedule po yung sheriff na palisin yung mga informal settlers na wala pang malilipatan. Ang maalala ko lang po na nakiusap si then Mayor Sara na kung pwedeng ipagpaliban muna ng ilang oras o araw yung pag demolish po sa mga illegal or informal settlers na walang malilipatan.
According to a netizen named Elsa, the details mentioned by Senator Judge Go are true, adding that Davaoenos know the full story. Netizen Concepa claimed there was power tripping on the part of the sheriff. Meanwhile, a netizen named Brian said most people do not know what really happened during the incident. For netizen as Rael, the Vice President provided significant help to flood victims at that time, noting that as a Davao City Mayor, VP Sara wanted to prevent clashes between the police and the subjects of the demolition.
Yun po ang konteksto ng nangyari. We are not justifying violence, but we are highlighting that context is important to have a fair assessment of the incident. Magkakaiba naman po yung nangyari nung 2011 sa mga pangyayaring iniimbestigahan niyo po dito. In fact, not just this incident, in our search for the truth, importante alamin natin ang dahilan at konteksto ng mga pangyayari upang maging patas, objective at makatarungan ang ating pagsusuri.
The prosecution panel invited former court sheriff Abby Andres to testify in the impeachment trial. However, Andres declined and appealed to the prosecution not to drag him into political matters. We will continue to follow the trial's developments. Reporting for Newsline World, Daniela Paulita, SMNI News.